Standard 11th Business Mathematics Exercise 2.5. By the principle of mathematical induction, prove the following. Your fourth question, 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus etc. 3n minus 2 is equal to n into 3n minus 1 divided by 2 for all n belongs to capital N. Okay. So first we'll just declare the question. Let P of n is equal to, just write your question as it is, 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus etc. plus 3n minus 2 is equal to n into 3n minus 1 divided by 2. So the next step is, your step 1, put n is equal to 1. So your LHS is, wherever n is there in your LHS, just substitute 1. Okay, so LHS is equal to 3 into 1 minus 2, that is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Now your RHS, again substitute in your RHS, n is equal to 1. Okay, so you will get 1 into 3 into 1 minus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 1 into 3 minus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 ones are 2 again. So 2 divided by 2, can cancel this 2 and 2, you will get your answer 1. So both the sides your answer is 1. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, P of 1 is true. Step 2. Let us assume that the statement is true for n is equal to k. So now wherever n is there in your question, just substitute your k. Okay, so P of k is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus etc. plus here 3n minus 2. So 3k minus 2, which is equal to, in the place of n, put k. So k into 3k minus 1 divided by 2. So step 3 is, so we'll have to prove for k plus 1. Okay, so for k you are assuming the answer is proved, then you'll have to prove it for, to prove that P of k plus 1 is true. So now in your P of n, just put k plus 1. Wherever n is there, put k plus 1. Okay, so it is 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus etc. plus 3 into k plus 1 minus 2. So in the place of n, you will have to write k plus 1. This minus 2 is there as it is. That is equal to, again n is k plus 1, you will have to replace, into, again 3n is there. So 3 into k plus 1 with the bracket. Okay, because 3 into 2 terms are there. So with the bracket, then minus 1, put a big bracket for this, divided by 2. So the next line is 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus etc. plus 3, multiply this 3 inside. Okay, so that is 3k plus 3 ones are 3 minus this 2 is there, which is equal to k plus 1 into, again multiply here also 3 inside. Okay, so you'll get 3k plus 3 minus 1, this minus 1 divided by 2. So your next line is 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus, again here etc. plus 3k plus 3 minus 2 is there. So you'll get 3k plus 1. Okay, so I'll just write it here, 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus etc. plus, so 3k plus 3 minus 2 is 1, which is equal to, this side it is k plus 1 into 3k plus 2. Okay, so 3k plus 2 divided by 2. So 3k plus 2 divided by 2. So now you'll have to take your LHS and you'll have to prove your RHS. Okay, so we'll just go with the LHS is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus etc. plus 3k plus 1. So now before this term you'll have to write it. Here just see your difference will be 3. 1 to 4 the difference is 3. Again 4 to 7 again it is the difference is 3. Here also you'll have to get your difference 3. Okay. So 3 means just work out here 3k plus 1, then this is minus 3 because it is decreasing. Okay, 4 minus 1 only. So this minus your before term. Okay, so it is 3k minus 2 will get. Otherwise just see here you will get the same term here and you can write it here. Okay, so that is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus etc. You will have plus 3k minus 2, that is the before term to this, plus 3k plus 1. So which is equal to, now you can replace the whole thing, that is you will have it in your step 2 this part. You can see, you just verify 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus etc. 3k minus 2. This whole thing will be here. So instead of that you can write k into 3k minus 1 divided by 2. So k into 3k minus 1 whole thing divided by 2 plus 3k plus 1 equal to, just multiply your k inside. Okay, so for this first term and to your second term. So you will get 3k square minus k into 1 is k plus, take this 2 here with the cross multiplication. So 2 into 3k plus 1 whole thing divided by 2 will get. So it is equal to 3k square minus k. Now multiply this 2 inside for both the terms. So I will get it as plus 6k plus 2, 2 ones are 2, the whole thing divided by 2, which is equal to 3k square minus k and plus 6k. So subtracting you will get plus 5k plus 2 divided by 2. Now this is a quadratic equation, so just go for your solving. Before that multiply this, 3 2s are 6. So 6 on top, 5 down. So multiplying two numbers you will have to get your 6. Addition or subtraction of two numbers you will have to get your 5. So I will just put 3 2s are, so 3 2s are 6 will be there, adding you will get your 5. So it is satisfying. But this 3 we are only multiplying. Okay, so divide by that 3 for both the numbers. So this you can cancel it. So you will have 1 and that you won't be able to cancel it. Okay. So which is equal to, your answer is with k you will have to write. So k plus 1 into k plus 2 by 3 whole thing divided by 2. The next line is k plus 1, just take this 3 here. So I will get it as 3k plus 2 whole thing divided by 2. Just check whether your 1, and just mark this as equation 1. So just see whether this term is replaced over there. So k plus 1, 3k plus 2 divided by 2. Here also k plus 1, 3k plus 2 divided by 2. So that is equal to your RHS. So if you want you can write from 1. Therefore, by the principle of mathematical induction, P of n is true for all n belongs to capital N. So this is the answer for your fourth question.